Hello everyone, and welcome back to KAVU Creative. In today's Illustrator tutorial, we are creating a minimal geometric flower design from simple rectangle shapes. Using clean symmetry and repeating patterns, we will turn basic vector elements into an elegant modern artwork. This design is easy to create and fun to follow. Now we are inside Adobe Illustrator. First, we need a center guide for proper symmetry. Double-click on the Artboard tool icon. Turn on the center mark option. Then press OK. Choose a soft pastel color for the first shape. Select the Rectangle tool. Hold Alt and click on the center point. Set the size to 40 by 40 pixels. Then press OK. Now hold Shift and Alt and drag the shape to the right to create a copy. Press Ctrl D twice to complete the row. Now we have 4 squares in one row. Select the full row. Again, hold Shift and Alt and drag upward to create another row. Press Ctrl D twice more. Now the 4 by 4 grid is complete. Select all 16 squares. Place the grid at the top left side of the center mark. Select the Selection tool. Click on any square to see the live corner controls. You will notice small circles inside the shape. Drag the circles inward to make smooth rounded corners. Repeat the same step for the other squares. Continue until the full grid changes into the new pattern. Take your time and enjoy the transformation. Delete unwanted rectangles. Now it is time to add colors to the design. Select the Eyedropper tool. Hold Ctrl to select a shape. Release the key. Then click on any color to apply it. Repeat the same process for the remaining shapes. Try different color combinations and enjoy the final result. Now select all the colored shapes. Choose the Rotate tool. Hold Alt and click on the center point. Set the angle to 90 degrees. Then click Copy. Press Ctrl D twice to repeat the rotation. Now let us clean the artwork. Select the full design. Go to the Object menu. Then choose Expand. Keep both fill and stroke selected. Then click OK. Open the Pathfinder panel. Click on Divide. Now select the Magic Wand tool. Click on the unwanted outlines. Then press Delete to get a clean final shape. And just like that, the design is complete. Our minimal flower artwork looks smooth and elegant. A detailed geometric pattern made from basic rectangle shapes. I hope you enjoyed this colorful geometric artwork. If you liked the design, leave a comment below. Thanks for spending your time with KAVU Creative. I will catch you in the next tutorial.